Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on November 5th and 6th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Redhead Day. National Redhead Day, celebrated on November 5th, is a day to honor and appreciate those who sport a lovely shade of red hair. This day seeks to recognize and celebrate the rarity and beauty of red hair, as well as to acknowledge the unique experiences of redheads. Red hair, which is the rarest natural hair color, occurs in only about 1 to 2% of the human population. The vibrant hue is often associated with certain cultural stereotypes and myths, but National Redhead Day is a moment to celebrate the genuine beauty and uniqueness of red-haired individuals. On this day, redheads are celebrated and appreciated for their distinctive hair color, and activities might include sharing photos, stories, and expressions of redhead pride on social media, or perhaps attending events or gatherings that honor and appreciate red hair. It's also an opportunity to raise awareness about the importance of embracing and celebrating diversity in all its forms, appreciating each individual's unique characteristics and qualities. Whether it's with a kind word, a compliment, or a shared story, make sure to spread some love and positivity to the redheads in your life on National Redhead Day. American Football Day. American Football Day is celebrated on November 5th and acknowledges one of the most popular sports in the United States, American football. The day serves to celebrate the sport itself, its players, fans, and the cultural significance it holds in American society. American football, with its rich history, has evolved over the years to become a prominent element in American culture, bringing together people from various walks of life to enjoy the game, whether through participating or spectating. On American Football Day, fans and players alike might celebrate in various ways, such as engaging in friendly matches, watching favorite games, or donning the jerseys of cherished teams. It's a day where enthusiasts might reminisce about memorable moments in football history, iconic players, and unforgettable plays. For others, it might be an opportunity to understand the rules, strategies, and nuances of the game. Schools, communities, and organizations might host events or gatherings, keeping safety and public health in mind, to commemorate the day, fostering a spirit of camaraderie and shared passion for the sport. Whether it's playing a game with friends, watching a classic match, or simply sharing football stories, American Football Day is about appreciating the sport and the unity it often brings among diverse individuals. Zero Tasking Day. Zero Tasking Day is celebrated on the first Sunday of November and is a day dedicated to taking a step back, relaxing, and intentionally not completing any tasks. In our fast-paced, productivity-oriented society, taking a moment to simply do nothing can be a refreshing and necessary reprieve. The day encourages individuals to let go of their to-do lists, postpone non-urgent tasks, and give themselves permission to relax, recharge, and enjoy a day without obligations or scheduled activities. Zero Tasking Day isn't just about physical rest, but also providing mental and emotional rest, offering a valuable moment for self-care, contemplation, and leisure. People might celebrate the day in various ways, such as spending time in nature, taking a long nap, reading for pleasure, or engaging in any activity that brings joy and relaxation. It's a gentle reminder that it is okay, and sometimes necessary, to take a break and that resting is not synonymous with laziness but is a crucial aspect of overall well-being. Zero Tasking Day gives a nod to the importance of balance, advocating for the essential role that rest plays in sustaining our health, productivity, and quality of life. So, take a breath, enjoy the moment, and give yourself the gift of doing absolutely nothing for a day. Daylight Saving Day. Daylight Saving Day, typically occurring on the second Sunday in March and the first Sunday in November in many parts of the United States and other countries, signifies the beginning and end of Daylight Saving Time, DST, respectively. The main idea behind DST is to make better use of daylight by moving an hour of daylight from the morning to the evening, theoretically saving energy in the process. In the spring, clocks are set forward 1 hour, while in the fall, clocks are set back an hour. While the concept of DST was proposed to conserve energy, its practicality and effectiveness have been debated. Some argue it saves energy by reducing the need for artificial lighting in the evening, while others contend that the energy saved on lighting is offset by greater heating and cooling costs, as well as increased evening activities. Beyond energy considerations, Daylight Saving Day often serves as a reminder for various semi-annual tasks, such as changing batteries in smoke detectors and flipping mattresses. The shift in time can also impact our internal body clocks, sometimes requiring a period of adjustment. Whether it is welcomed for the extended daylight in the evenings or lamented for the lost hour of sleep, Daylight Saving Day marks a biannual shift that impacts various aspects of daily life and routine. National Nachos Day. National Nachos Day is celebrated annually on November 6th, providing a splendid reason to indulge in this beloved, cheesy snack. Nachos, originating from northern Mexico, have become an immensely popular dish around the world, particularly in the United States. Consisting of tortilla chips served warm and typically topped with melted cheese, they can also be adorned with a plethora of additional toppings, such as jalapenos, guacamole, sour cream, and salsa, to enhance their flavor and enjoyment. National Nachos Day is a perfect excuse to enjoy this scrumptious snack in various forms and flavors. Celebrations might involve preparing a heaping plate of homemade nachos, experimenting with different cheeses, and adding various innovative toppings. It could also be an opportune time to visit a local restaurant or snack bar to savor their unique nacho offerings. For those who share a love for this delightful dish, it might be fun to host a nacho making party, where everyone can create their own nacho masterpiece with an array of toppings. No matter how it's celebrated, National Nachos Day is about savoring the deliciousness of crispy chips and melty cheese, shared with good company, or enjoyed as a solitary treat. National Saxophone Day. National Saxophone Day is celebrated on November 6th, in honor of Adolphe Sax, the inventor of the saxophone. Born on this day in 1814 in Belgium, Sax created this remarkable instrument in the 1840s. The saxophone, often referred to simply as the sax, has become an instrumental part of many music genres, including jazz, rock, and classical, celebrated for its ability to produce a rich, resonant sound that is both powerful and emotive. National Saxophone Day is an opportunity for musicians, music enthusiasts, and the general public to appreciate the unique sounds and versatility of the saxophone. Musicians may mark the day by playing sax music, possibly exploring new compositions or revisiting classic saxophone solos. Non-musicians might spend the day listening to famous saxophonists like Charlie Parker, John Coltrane, or Candy Dulfer, immersing themselves in the vibrant and soulful tones of the instrument. Schools and music institutions might host workshops, performances, or programs to honor the saxophone and its contribution to the world of music. This day is not just about recognizing the saxophone as an instrument, but also acknowledging the talent and artistry of saxophonists who bring music to life. So, enjoy some saxophone music and take a moment to appreciate the instrument's soulful contribution to the rich tapestry of global music. Job Action Day. Job Action Day, observed on the first Monday in November, is a day dedicated to empowering and aiding job seekers and individuals looking to advance their careers. This day promotes taking active steps, whether it be seeking new opportunities, learning new skills, or strategizing career paths, in order to achieve one's career objectives. The initiative highlights the importance of being proactive in navigating one's professional journey and encourages people to take control and actionable steps toward their career goals. On Job Action Day, various organizations, career coaches, and professionals may provide resources, workshops, and advice to help individuals in their career advancement or job search. It's a day where stories of career development and success might be shared to inspire others. Job seekers might use this day to revamp their resumes, practice interview skills, or explore new job opportunities. Those looking to advance their careers might identify new skills to learn, seek mentorship, or explore possibilities for career progression within their current roles. Ultimately, Job Action Day serves as a reminder of the power of taking targeted, intentional actions in shaping one's professional future and encourages all to never be passive passengers in their career journey, but active, engaged drivers. Play Basketball Day. Play Basketball Day, celebrated on November 6th, is an informal day to appreciate and partake in the exhilarating sport of basketball. Whether you're a seasoned player, a loyal fan, or someone simply looking to engage in a fun, physical activity, this day is an invitation to embrace the sport in all its dimensions. Basketball, with its rich history and global popularity, isn't just a competitive sport but also a medium through which people bond, form communities, and develop physical and collaborative skills. On Play Basketball Day, individuals and communities might engage in friendly matches, conduct workshops, or simply spend time shooting hoops in the backyard. Schools and organizations might host events or tournaments, thereby fostering a spirit of camaraderie and shared enjoyment. Those new to the sport might take this day to learn the basic rules and engage in casual play, while seasoned players might celebrate by participating in intense matches or refining their skills. It's also a day to appreciate the sport's history, iconic players, and its influence in promoting physical fitness, team spirit, and global unity through various international tournaments. Regardless of skill level, Play Basketball Day is about enjoying the sport, appreciating its inclusiveness, and perhaps even discovering a newfound love for basketball. So, grab a ball, hit the courts, and enjoy the game. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.